The problem in where now no bona. Ibulo the problem. First of all, Ibule a girl in on a page. Won't come on a meeting from today. Say agitators. Iwuluwanya from today upward. Won't come on a meeting. Say agitators. Eje golu mo mwanya test go. I love this. It's a value. One of the highest value key place in Ebeno. Open and we can compare or correspond or don't know your longer the test. Let him go. It doesn't necessarily mean it means that or full again or gadimulo or love login. I talk about life, but yeah, follow my program. Don't be disappointed when somebody don't love you enough to do something for the betterment of two of you. Yes. Oh, when you get meet here, or singing no, law. Nisi na enwele kunu pia wa kunu obuga agu one night. Aga appears normal to normal. Because if I dare predict ye game doing sex, another predict sex predict. And then make oral and they involve foreplay, involve many things involve. Why can't you check yourself? Another manage this life or manage. Oboni put lomwegi at the highest priority of yourself, you will lose your life. Oh yeah, they nilu. Or depend even on prioritize. I want to talk about the pig or yakagin. A girl who am Mboshi America. Be obuda be visit him onye oji na date. Oshim 2 weeks before be share abekwana. Upper happy in share abekwana. God have kept me all my life when alone at this age. You were talking about pay more. Oshim no ya pay more ya money busy for the rest of my life. Neka pado di oya. Nge nyega akwukwo yiga buzi city neka jide data akwukwo jide that citizenship na la yala. Mona ge gbasa echi mbulu data oya je pay another person. It doesn't want it. So young wage, makolo this girl aka. I'm not you before. Your type the rare. I'm a wagia. Your type the rare. Thank you. A lot of people I do also. A lot of people can say, hey, nah, ebo kotele. No. It doesn't necessarily mean stop gambling with your life. Before money appear skin to skin. And when you know bona joke appear like lobu. Shiko. And when a woman being joke appear like lobu, oku ye meche ego. I am mecho abawa. I am mecho mefo. Alonwa na ami lobu. And when situation I know oku adizi. I can cheer for without telling you anything. This girl will value for herself, her health, her life, her future, her everything. Because that person next step in with you can step out from you. He can weigh you retain. Hold I can do my health, highest thing. Let this thing, in fact, he any permission can post with this thing.
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you so much. Let this interview now, this thing equal now. Nyabulu a role model to our women. Let all the people, my FYP, Mandini Nano here, emulate from this lady. It's not a wrong thing to bring forth an opinion in a secure for your own priorities. Now the man Ebendelo doesn't make you a wrong person. It doesn't make you need the fast. They will rub it on your face. Okay? Nah, it's very nocturnal and just one line. Okay. My test no nenjego. Mo myself na cho test. Idi healthy choma test. Obu ni nwe pacha ni love lo yourself e choma test. Idi healthy e choma test na your life. Onye obuna na abia does him or what lia. Onwelo ye what lia. Obuzie na gina mmadụ na enwezi situation after ka gina mmadụ not from the beginning ka gina mmadụ no. Was anything maybe in inside marriage 10 years, 15 years after marriage. And was even your woman, hey, let me just. No, it's not your destiny from the beginning into a wrong way. If the foundation is wrong, the structure cannot be right. So thank you so much. Ma Beke. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Now, it ready now. It ready to mingle. But it test Ike. I may test Anya. I may Kente. In fact, he may test him maybe no wa. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you.
No, for line, I'm happy to have you.
Anna Meso. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay.
Yeah.